Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about implementation of RAG using Keras-NLP package with the help of FAISS vector store. Over here, FAISS stands for Facebook AI Similarity Search. So, as the name suggests, this FAISS vector store has been developed by Facebook. This entire script is same as the one that we have seen in the earlier session. So if you want to know more about the script and its different functionalities, please review the video whose link is available on the top right corner of this particular video. Over here, we are going to have only one change, and that will be we are going to use this FAISS CPU package to store vector embeddings and retrieve relevant documents. Now let's talk about the first change. So the very first change will be in the particular function called retrieve documents. Over here, we are going to use this particular function FAISS.readIndex to read stored FAISS index. This function is useful to read and load FAISS index which has been prepared and stored in another script. Once you have load and read that particular FAISS index, you can utilize its search function to figure out relevant documents. Over here, this top case stands for how many relevant documents you want to retrieve. The next change will be after generating the vector embeddings, such that document embeddings. So once we have generated this document embeddings using this get embeddings functionality, we need to stack them vertically using this numpy's vstack function. Over here, we are generating FAISS index which is using L2 distance, such that Euclidean distance, to calculate the distance between different vectors. Over here, we need to provide the dimension of vector, because based on this dimension, FAISS index will calculate the Euclidean distance to figure out similar documents. Once we have generated this index object using L2 distance and providing the particular dimension, we can use its add function to add document embeddings. And once we have added this document embeddings, we can write this document embeddings using its write index functionality, which will write index. And once we have written this particular index, if we want to use it at another place, we can use re-index functionality as we have seen earlier in the retrieve document function. Finally, we are generating the answers using this generate answer function. Over here, generated answers are more or less similar to the one that we have seen in the earlier script. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.